Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, January 4th of 2022. And here are our lunch choices for today. For our first hot lunch choice, we have a chicken patty. And our second lunch choice, which is our red choice, is chicken nuggets. And then our cold lunch choice is a fun pack. And boys and girls, I wanted to mention two things with you. It's kind of important to remember at this point in time of the school year and of the season. Please make sure you dress appropriately for the weather. I know that a lot of you just like to wear hoodies to school, and I know some of you wear like multiple hoodies to school, and that's fine if you did wear multiple ones. But just make sure that you have your skin covered up so that if you have gloves, if you have mittens, if you have a hat, if you have anything whatsoever, especially to cover up your skin areas on your face and hands, if you have to walk home, that's going to be the part that is going to be damaged by the cold that could be outside. So please make sure that you cover up your hands and your face as much as possible, especially if you're walking home. So if you don't have a winter coat, that's okay. Just wear multiple layers then. So multiple sweatshirts work. So you can do that. I know I do that at times where I just wear multiple sweatshirts and a couple different layers underneath. So that is appropriate to do if that's what you have and you don't have a coat. If you want a coat or need a coat or something like that, and you don't have ways to get a coat, then come down to the office. We do have coats available for students. All right, for gym shoes, the other part I wanted to mention here. Since we do now have snow on the ground, I know a lot of you have now wearing like snow boots to school. But snow boots do not work in the gym, especially for PE. So you need to make sure you bring a pair of gym shoes with you. So if you don't have gym shoes here, like an old pair of tennis shoes or something that you can use in the gym, then just let us know in the office. We'll see what we can do in the way of shoes. Right now, we're pretty low on the shoe selection of what we actually have. But if you do have some extra shoes that you have at home, I would just bring them so that you have them on hand in case you wear your boots that day and you need some extra shoes. And as a reminder, as I mentioned yesterday, our winter map testing starts this week for some grade levels. So, teachers, just make sure that you take a look at that startup guide that's on that spreadsheet that you made your schedule on. So, if you have any questions, feel free to ask myself or ask Mrs. Deerdorf or Mrs. Dawson. All right, at this time, let's please take a moment of silence to reflect on what things we want to work on for today. Thank you. If you could please stand and put your right hand over your heart and join in with Mr. Snyder's fifth grade class for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much. I hope all of you have a wonderful Tuesday. Make it the best day that you possibly can, and I'll see you out and about in the halls here at Perry School.